Yeah. Me darling, why me can't feature you? Jamaica walk by. Walk go on, my friend. Big up and respect. You know, say me soon from far, me have to come go na hill.
See, look good girl them.
Yes, man. One Jamaica walk by. Whoa! How over that ladies, I feel? How over that ladies? Touch me, man. Big up yourself. I feel, Dali. See, general person say, I feel. You're foreigner? Lord of, watch, we can video here.
Yeah.
Me tell people say me can't make up them things. Look how beautiful 360 feet crowd them have. They say look good girl in the street. Big guy that. Walk one, blessed good evening, man. See, you call a friend. Bad that's it name. They say you soldier them. Grandma, blessed all things. We can talk to you for a sec. Sick. Oh, me just walk through a showcase what Spanish Town look like, especially them side here, you know? How old is grandma? You're 86? Wow, man. Hope one day me can live to see them numbers there. 86-year-old, don't it? God is good all the time, not true? Let me see if I can buy a drink there, grandma. I want to find something, I want to find a good number, you know? Let me go bless up grandma there, because today, yeah, careful on the door, nobody bite. I bless up grandma. 86 and you're standing up. And you still have breath and you still have go on and them a work, right? God bless you. Wait, so you never know you'd reach so far. Oh God, man, blessings and love, man. How many kids you have? 3. You have 3 kids and the 3 of them gone already? Oh, 2 girls died in Canada. Oh man, I'm so sorry. So 3 kids gone before you. Well, me I hope say my kids them bury me, you know, because I don't want to bury none of my kids them. So I understand the pain. You have a husband? No husband, he died. Grandma is saying everybody for her pretty much died. I wasn't expecting to get a story like this from you. So I know where you live and where you rest. I will come and give you a heal. And anybody here you want to render some assistance to grandma, please may I ask you know, for support. How easy, you don't know, big up and respect to all my Jamaica walk by massive. And we're currently in Spanish Town again. You understand? No joke, no doubt. As I look across the road, you don't know Spanish Town Hospital center camera. I don't know the famous gas station over there, so the Ruby's there. So you know exactly which part I turn up right at the stoplight and I look across to Spanish Town Hospital. You understand? Right under the big guango tree. Look good now, man. Figure that. So if you're just a giant right now, you don't know, please me ask you. You know, say over there so at the prison oval. So I fully understand which part me there and which part me I go walk to. So right about now, me I go walk center camera. You understand? On the street named Barrett Street. And we go walk entire Barrett Street, go round to some place in some part where we don't see for a long time. So if you just watch, please me ask you massive. If you start like the video. Please start like the video. We are going to see if we can talk to some people, if we can just walk through, show what Barrett Street and some inner city Spanish Town look like. You know what I mean? It's a requested video as usual. Them type of videos, yeah. You know, persons ask me, say, yo, you walk out Spanish Town, but you couldn't walk that street there. Because enough people normally walk that street, you like it, if you attend the St. Diego High School. You understand? If you attend the Spanish Town High School and you forward down to this side, this is the road they normally walk. You understand? And if you take taxi, if you go notorious and then place it, and down at the gas station and you forward, you get your notorious taxi them and thing. You see me? So we walk some different places in Jamaica and some places people you know, usually see unless you go to school them or them thing there. You see me? So big up to all the massive who just joined the video right about now. If you're new to Jamaica Walk By, listen, Jamaica Walk By is all about showing the natural ambiances of Jamaica and the world. You understand? So we walk through, we show love. If we can talk to people, we talk to them. If we can't talk to them, we just leave it alone, you see me? And we just showcase the natural beauty of the island and the happenings, you see it? In our time. See? Yeah. So please me I beg you, remember you can comment 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 times. You understand? The more comment, the better. Make we talk in the comment section massive. So run the video, you go right up to 1,000 likes right now, please. You don't know more likes we can get to reach more people, because the bigger the video we'll get and more people will get a chance to see what go on inside of the world. You understand? One Jamaica Walk By. Look good now, man. So this is actually Barrett Street. See me? And a lot of persons live them place here and thing. So in a Spanish town, yeah, no joke, no doubt. You see me? See all I sign up with so number 11 Barrett Street. You see it, Spanish town, as you walk through. So it's more a subtle video, you know, just a walk in, show you exactly what it look like. Maybe not much talking or stuff like that, but we just want the massive them to see the place and what it looks like. Good evening, blessed. Yeah. See some sisters here. Good evening. Business are going. Jamaica walk by me, I pass through the town like I'm a yard. Yeah, blessings and respect. See how the joke, me not see no smoke a jump out tight like muffler. You understand? Big up on yourself, you know good? Yeah, you? Yeah, me great. You know, God is good all the time. So me just walk through. I show the people them where Barrett Street look like. And we are walk growing at some place and at some part. But it look like we have free AC and them a tree. You look good now, man? Yeah. Look there, man. So you go well nature and then you go tent and you just relax and I do it. That is the place clean and nice. I don't see a trash where they rake every 5 minutes. Not really. Lord God, watch it. So them a tree and not shed leaf. Eh? Look, yeah, you see how Jamaicans roll massive, look good. Go place clean and nice. They don't have to buy yes, man. So what I want to do? Jerk chicken and pork and them thing there? And soup. Figure that we say Friday I go festive out. Figure that. Alright, I Jamaica walk by some stay. I love my people them, alright? Alright. Cool. When I pass by me come here so I can see what I go on and see if I can get my food for going me yard. Alright, we're going to do some walk, see? One love. Cool. See share the nice good smile around about there, it's a smile. You can check out the channel here, Jamaica Walk By. Alright, blessed love. Yeah. It's always a vibe, you know? Yeah. That's how we do it on Jamaica Walk By. We just walk through. If we can talk, we talk. If we can reason, we reason. If not, we just move along. So enough people are say, yo, you can't walk in a Spanish town, you know, right now, you know, because place hot and beer things. I hope say me not see no form of, no violence, no, just straight positive vibes today and thing. You know what I mean? But I can tell you this though, if the place turn up or the place I go on a specific way, you not get Jamaica Walk By if you walk it. So from me I walk, you know, we're supposed to good. Almighty God. We're supposed to good. So we'll walk through some people them can see what the place look like in this time. See? No joke, no doubt. Let's do this. So for all who just joined, we're currently on Barrett Street in Spanish Town. World famous Spanish Town. Good evening. Yes, fama. Man. Yeah, man, where say? Where say I beg a 50? Yeah. Nobody say bus fare, man. Let me look at me. Alright, see a change. Big up yourself here. Cool. Got you. I said, bless him up with a 50 for him bus here. Yeah, no, he ain't going nowhere. But I just feel them routine talk, you know. Yes, Godfather, manners. As we proceed, no joke. Let's go. Look at this, man. Cannon. Kaboom. See a cannon up on the roadside. I say Spanish town is a historical town. You hear that? So me just pass a real cannon on the roadside. Yeah. Oh. So across there, so it's actually Monk Street. You know what I mean? Monk Street. So if you go that way, you will find St. Diego. If you can walk them places, if you go them part of school there, you see? No joke, no doubt. Monk Street. We now go up on Monk Street. You see all the sign across the road. We now go up on Monk Street. We're going to travel upon the main. Yeah. It's like one historical landmine too. This church is historical landmark this boy. Great Spanish town. The Salvation Army over there, so. Yeah, man. Let's go. Let's go, man. So big up to everybody who actually joining right now. Please may I ask if you like the video. If you're watching and not yet subscribed, please may I ask if you subscribe to the channel. And welcome to Jamaica Walk By. Yeah. So as you can see, some Diego students coming from school. Yeah. Look where we're at. Yeah, man. So that lane over there, that's Red Church Street. Across the road over there. Yeah. Look at this. The son and in never fading memory of the son and daughter of St. Catherine, who fell in 2 world wars in 1914 to 18 and 1939 to 45. We shall remember them. A monument here. Yeah, man. As we go through, that is it. Oh, you mean? I'm going to walk around that side there and go around again. So we're in Spanish Town. Blessings and respect to everybody who is joining right now as we go through. Great one. Big up yourself. Yeah, my teacher. Manners. Come on, everybody still out. You know what thing go. School gate. Yeah. So we're up on White Church Street in a Spanish Town, right at the school gate today. My thing, you know, vendors them and eaglers them out. Blessings as they roll through. So we are go this direction. So we just passed Ellis Street a while ago. Yeah, and we still up on White Church Street in a Spanish Town. People land still get occupied as we walk through. Honestly, not sure how far we're gonna walk to, but I could find out now. I could showcase the historical town now. Spanish Town. So we just come up on Wellington Street, that's what, isn't it? Wellington Street. General, I beat some domino and thing. Historical Spanish town, man. So to my right is the St. Catherine Municipal Corporation. Yeah, man. Still keep the building vintage style. So the building still vintage style. Nice. No joke, no doubt. What's the next cannon right here, so? I said the historical town, Spanish town. Look good. The Jamaica Heritage Trail. Spanish town. Work in progress. Tourism enhancement. Fun. Nice little green area. Let's take a closer look. As we walk through. Nice. This is what it looks like. Don't look like it open up to the public though. Just probably events. Oh, the gate is actually open right here. Can probably read this. See? The gate was open. See a dog over here and bird. Ah. Emancipation Square. Little bit of history. This is what it used to look like back in the days. So it used to be like a race horse track or something like that. And these buildings are still the same. Yep. So this one right here is that one over there. See? And then this one right here, this is actually this one right here, right across from it. And then you have this one right here now, which is this one, the white one. Look at it good, the crown and thing on the top is that one across there. How beautiful. Preserving, you know? Nice. Alright, let's see what is on this one here. Alright. The House of Assembly. And show how the architectural part of it. Yeah. This one. So this one, this seems to be this. This one right here. Mad things. Oh, lovely. So the Spanish Town Heritage Trail. Mad thing. Very nice. Beautiful. Beautiful. Alright. Let's go. Let me see some of the things that are over here now that you can get to do at the Jamaica Spanish Town Municipal Corporation. And there's a signboard here. See? Heritage tourism. Road and works, all these things. So inside at the front look like preserving it a bit, you know. Spanish Town. Vintage decade Canon, real life Canon. Look good. Real authentic Canon in a Jamaica. Mad thing. Who in the comment section who know who that guy is? Who that guy in the pan statue? Make us see if we can see the sign. We go closer. What gate pull we can go in. Mad thing. Look good. Real Canon. There's some writings on there. Wow. Real authentic Canon. Look at that. Mad thing. Who can educate me about them things? Because honestly, I don't know much about it. You know? Let me see what I write on this. See there? Mad thing. Most people not preserve them part here. They know about it in school, you know. So we have with us. Who have interest in it will come and video it. Wow. Look at this. Who is this guy? Let's see. See thing look like? I can't see the name good. What's this? It's a Georg. George Rodney. Or George. Baron Rodney. Yeah, man, see it. Wow, you must be a great man if you have your statue still put up in Jamaica after a long decade. After you're gone, you look like he was a giant. Yeah, man. Also, you have another side around here. Okay, get it. Spanish town, historical town, man. Beautiful. Who will appreciate these videos will appreciate these videos. I am so fascinated by these things too. Yeah, man. Nice. Alright, we're moving. So if you're just watching, you're just joining, please, I'm asking you to like the video. Drop a comment in the comment section. Remember, you can comment 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 times. I answer, I comment them. So let's talk in the comment section. No joke. See? Spanish town with it. We're moving right along. Yeah. So right about now, the street here to my left named King Street. You understand? So we emerge on King Street right about now as we continue to walk. See, and center camera right to the street there. Center camera is actually, what's that? Yeah. Every minute it a switch. Yes, Godfather. Manners. Yeah, why does switch so much? Oh, Adela. Why does switch? Just keep on a switch. I'm not sure which one is it. Actually, one from my left. But yeah, we're currently on King Street. The Jamaica Archives. Nice. Real in a Spanish town. I personally have never seen videos of persons walking this part or, you know, giving people a little tour of what the place look like. You know, 'cause a lot of persons really fear Spanish town, you know. You understand? But I won't come here when time big things are going or me see people have to run up and down. But now, nice and peaceful and quiet and thing. So we just are going sing out. So yeah, so we just a walk through. As you can see, place subtle and thing. Yeah. Blessed and the road they down there, so nice. So if you like the video, please, I'm asking you to subscribe. If you're not yet like, please like the video. Respect and one love to all. Jamaica walk by. So this is King Street. This is actually a furniture shop. Blessed me elder, respect. You did them great work, yeah? Huh? You did them great work, yeah? Yeah, Jamaica walk by now, we just a walk through, but from me see them thing, I have to give it a little video, you know? Yeah, big up and respect. Great work. Yeah, we say world carpenter.
Yes, man.
Alright, massive. So you know from where I walk by, we have a showcase the businessman, then we are work. So, one walk by, big up yourself, bro. Respect our manners, no man. Yeah, showcase the general place today. Yeah, go and watch the channel, see? Blessings and respect. See, roll out in a bicycle. You don't need more than this if you live in a Spanish town. That's a quick run through. Yeah, that is it. Respect. Yeah, so generally, what the man name? Facey. Yeah, big up Mr. Facey. Yeah, sister, you go and face some work right now. Yes, I mean, not take you off too long, but we have a showcase. You look a busy, see it? Yeah, look like you work on something look expensive over there, so. Yeah. See next foot right there, so. Yeah. And think, what is this you're making right now? This look like a varnish already. King size bed. The king size bed. That is it. Yeah. So Mr. Facey, if somebody want a furniture in a Spanish Town era, what them call? Your number?
Facey, 909 14 Cemetery.
Yeah, 909
1473.
1473.
Yeah,
blessings and respect, Mr. Facey. World carpenter. I don't want them to pass by the corner and see it and I say, no, I have to go in there, so. See it there? Look like one book stand or one of them type of something there. Put it by your wall. Yeah. Respect. Alright, that's how work go on. See it and you can't miss it. Yeah, let me look on the street again. King Street and Market Street.
King Street and Old Market Street.
And Old Market Street. Yeah. Alright, yes. King Street and Old Market Street. Right, that's how we turn up. Yeah. Look good. Mr. Facey, one love and respect. Hear that? Seal it. Big up and respect. Cool. Mr. Facey. So, right on King Street and Old Market Street, you can catch the World Carpenter, you know what I mean? Yeah, look good. So this is Old Market Street right here as we move through. But we are going that way there. Come through, my friend. Yeah. Yeah, man. So we are going through massive. So it's all about Spanish Town today. Yeah. Why mango tree just hang off on the road, nothing up on it today. Breadfruit tree over here, so can't hungry, we can't hungry. You're mad, man. Look good. Cool breadfruit. Breadfruit like wow. Look all up at that top. Breadfruit like wow. The on the tree like wow. I would all move one now. Oh, whoa. Breadfruit. Breadfruit on the tree. Look good. So big up to everybody who watching all over all platforms. You don't know TikTok. Jamaica Walk By. Manners. Jamaica Walk By YouTube channel. You see me who is watching on Jamaica Walk By TV on TikTok. And who is watching over on Instagram at Jamaica Walk By. You guys please feel free to follow me on all platforms. We are over 20k on TikTok. We are over 115,000 on Instagram. And we are over 170,000 on YouTube. Wagwan, blessed good evening, man. How you mean? Vocalize the back, how you mean? Yeah. See, you call a friend. Badness it name. Badness it name. Mad thing. Okay, dog. Badness it name. Yes, Godfather, blessed. Blessed you soldier them. Boy, they really do their work. Yeah, man, take it easy. Grandma, blessed all things. You can talk to you for a sec. I say you're a soldier them apart, you don't know. I know wait me wake you up, you're sick. Sick. Oh. Bad flu. Oh, your foot. I just walk through a showcase what Spanish Town look like, especially them side there, you know. So as you look a soldier them back and wake you up, make you come out the door if you realize that somebody did there. You understand? Blessed and love. Yes, sir. How old is grandma? You're 86? Wow, man. Hope one day I can live to see them numbers there. 86-year-old, don't it? God is good all the time, not true? I wonder if I can buy you a drink, grandma. Let me see if I can buy you a drink there, grandma. And the drink I'm going to buy you is like, I want them drink them maybe a medicine or your nice little fruit punch juices or something of that sort, not true? More we give, the more we get. Let me see if I want to find something. I want to find a good number, you know. Worse to say you're sick. So let me go bless up grandma there. Because today, yeah, careful on the door. Nobody bite. I bless up grandma. Big up yourself, grandma. One love, alright? Yes, man. Wish me could have do more, but I can't do more. Say 86-year-old. 86. The other day I talked to an old lady and she was 97. Walking up and down in Moran Bay.
I'm a doctor.
Oh, your doctor. You ask him how old was his mother and he said 90. Yes, man. Alright, grandma. Blessed love. Keep on living. Keep on striving, alright? So you're at 86 and you're standing up and you still have breath and you still have go on your hand them at work, right? God bless you, alright? Hope I can live to see that 86. Wait, so you never know you'd reach so far. Oh, God, man. Blessings and love, man. How many kids you have? 3. You have 3 kids and the 3 of them gone already? Say that again? Oh, two girls died in Canada. Oh, man, I'm so sorry. So 3 kids gone before you. My condolences, alright? I know that most parents, all parents don't want it to go that way. You know, they always want them kids to bury them, you know? One Jamaica walk by my teacher. Big up, man. Respect. Yeah. Rockstone. Well, me I hope say my kids them bury me, you know, because I don't want to bury none of my kids them. So I understand the pain. Oh man. Blessings, grandma. Oh. Almighty. Alright, take it easy and one love and you'll be safe. Here, grandma. Blessings. How long have you been living here? 25 years. You've been living here 25 years. Wonderful, man. Blessings. You have a husband? No husband. He died. Oh my word. Grandma is saying everybody for her pretty much died. So this is a sad case. I'm so sorry. Grandma will circle you another time. I wasn't expecting to get a story like this from you. So I know where you live and where you rest. I will come and give you a heal. And anybody here you want to render some assistance to grandma, please may I ask you for support. When you see look a soldier them at her gate and thing, you can knock her up and render some assistance to grandma. She says she's ailing with some sickness. I see that your foot is sick, so I'm not gonna make you stand up much longer. You can go and rest your legs. Alright, grandma? Blessed love. 86 strong. One love. That is it. Oh my. Blessed to all my elders. You know me love my elders them. So our blessings always. You see me? Yeah, man. That is it. Woo. Spanish Town. So what we there right now? Brunswick Street. So as you can see which our grandma live. Go through my friend. Brunswick Street. Right, that's how we're there. And we are look what go on. It's been a great video so far. You know, grandma live right there. So anybody want to render some assistance to grandma right there, please, I'm asking you to. You know, very easy to reach. Yeah, so as you go through, she had 86. Boy, hope somehow we get to live to see 86-year-olds. So as you can see, Brunswick Street. Yeah, no joke, no doubt. That's a sign there. Right in a Spanish Town historical place. My friend, look good. So we actually welcome to Waterloo community. So this is the community right here, Waterloo community and thing. Yeah. Me darling, why me can't feature you? Jamaica walk by. Well on them, you see. They got look how go through it. What go on, my friend? Big up and respect. You know, say me soon from far, me have to come go na hill. I like cyclists.
See, look good girl them.
Yes, man. One Jamaica walk by. Yes, my friend. Whoa! How over that ladies, Afia? How over that ladies? Touch me, man. Big up yourself. Afia, Dali. See, general of yourself, Afia. You're foreigner?
No, I'm not.
You're not. You come out, you just come out so fresh today. How will make you look so clean today? How go on?
I just still come to do my ear, no?
Lord of, watch the cam video here.
Yeah.
Me tell people say me can't make up them things. Look how beautiful, man. Big up the hairdresser.
Alright, so we're gonna big up Kadian.
Yeah.
You can find her dog_lovely on Instagram.
That is it. My sister is a social media girl, so you're not shy, you're not afraid, you understand the thing. So my name is Fabian. I'm doing Jamaica walk by. So I walk from Barrett Street from the end of the gas station. And I walk out the whole and I go over upon some place and some part. I don't know where I venture to, I don't know who I see. But you come out. You come out. My G, me not take up our time too much now, but what's your Instagram?
So my name is Sky_Advance.
Sky_Advance.
Yeah.
And I am Jamaica walk by. But I like you send me a message on Instagram so I can make sure so I find it and I can put it on the screen so they can see you. Cause my boss, excuse me if I say this, but people are going, you know? So just prepare. That's how we Jamaican say, but you look beautiful, man. You're feeling good on the day, man.
Yes.
That is it. Hairstyle well nice. We say one nice function over weekend. 360 feet crowd, man. They say, look good girl in the street. Big guy that touch it, man. Bad thing. What you mean? Yeah. Boy, me I tell her, say that we look it up. But I don't want to really see it a catch, you know? Yeah, troublemaker, you know?
Yeah.
So this is your community.
No, I'm an hairdresser. I'm just a
Oh, just a hairdresser boy here. Yeah, man. What the community right? That's the name. They say Waterloo. Waterloo close. Mad thing, man. General, what say? Can video on it too? And you can give me 2 talk or place I go on. Good? Nice auntie. Me feel it, man. Cause me like how the girl that does social and people just be human. Me love them something there.
Yeah.
You understand? Lord of mercy. So which way you walking to now?
Spanish Town.
So which way you go? That way there?
Yeah, man, I walk straight.
Me I go walk around the local side there. Whenever me I give them a ear, but I running now. Yeah, me could give them a ear. You there, so? Alright. Yeah, me, you know some viewers them have to go, you see me, big up every time. I rate the energy, rate the vibe. You understand? I'm going to leave a drink on the corner, you know, and I go buy one special, you know. You understand the things, they might have nothing, they might have a big, you know, but we still make sure, say, you see me? Not tell nobody say me left nothing, you know, because I don't want nobody else circle me. Big up every time, I want Jamaica walk by, yeah. Me now make she left me, man, I go to her, man. Oh, Lord Jesus, she look like she taken, man. Gone. So big up all that massive from Waterloo close. Big up yourself, my bro. Manners and respect always. Spanish Town, bless up yourself, Dali. Outside. One love, hear that?
Yeah, get the bread food, man.
Ah, me see him around there, you know. Figure that. Yo, me teacher outside. Mad thing. One love. Yeah, man. So big up always. Jamaica walk by. Yeah. Yes, you blessings. Good. Come through, Daddy. Here well on fleek and them thing. Nah, man. Roast breadfruit. Oh, run us a smell so sweet, man. Cheese and peace. Lord, look there. Hey, people, them are foreign a ball and a winner fam. Cheese and peace, look there. You smell the aroma. Smell the aroma. Yes. So all I foreigner them if they can't find the breadfruit, look which at it there. Right on Waterloo close in a Spanish store. Look good now, man, look good. Want to know about this? Jeez and peace, and I son if you come by, look good. No joke, no doubt. Big up on yourself, hear that? I mean, never know about this, so I know shot for reach now, is it? And which side I want to go choose, man? Oh, that side, the rock stone. I mean, you want to go that side there, you know?
Yeah, you can't go that side.
And go around, Kyle. Oh, yeah. But make sure so you cross, you know.
Alright, thank
See?
you. I'm going to watch you on TikTok.
Yeah, watch it.
Are you the video on all lady and the 90s?
Oh, yeah, me see him one. That is it, a see thing, man. Touch me, the man.
Alright, big up yourself.
Almighty. One love and one respect, you see me? I want to make you find a train, make you buy a drink too. Make you buy a drink too. You understand? Till the name bless up Friday.
Alright,
Big up yourself here.
Yeah.
One love, always. Yeah, beautiful young lady, man. Always, man. We Jamaican ladies and beautiful, man. We have to bless them up. Take it easy, my friend. Cool now, man. Yeah. Good evening. Yes, man. That is it. And that's how you go. More you give, the more you get, you know? Buy them a drink and we'll go through. It's a festive day. share a little we have as we walk through. She said she come do her hair beautiful, polite, have manners and thing, you see me? She not antisocial nor nothing. Go through me J, clear. Yeah, this is a very good kindergarten school. I always hear about this school too, very nice. Yeah, Early Childhood Development Center. You can check them out who don't know. Yeah man. St. Diego Preparatory over here, so yeah, so we walk the side. That's on the sewer with there. What a beautiful young lady. Very nice, very polite and thing. She not antisocial at all. You understand? No joke, no doubt. Remember good, the more you give, the more you get. So can share a little what you have and God will always multiply and bless you with more. And big up to all the massive them who recognize me in the street, and I say big up Jamaica walk by, you understand? As you go through and thing. I don't really have much, but every little make a muckle. No joke. As you go through Spanish Town. Very nice vibe. Where are we now? So all of this is the Brunswick. Yes, boss, big up. So we're up on the Brunswick. Yeah, man. Right on the Brunswick. So we're just gonna take on the whole Brunswick and thing as we go through. Look good. Spanish Town. So many motorists drive through this side to go up on the Brunswick and to go like Angel side. It's just shorter. You see? Well, just find $5. Just find $5. Mad thing. That cancel out some of me. I give away, you know? Find my chups off at the top. Yeah. Look across the street. Alright, so we're up on the Brunswick, heading from Barrett Street. So yeah, Spanish Town. Beautiful subtle day. Look at this, mango just hang out on the street. Blacky mango. See how Jamaica bless? Look how the tree loaded. Wow, mad thing. Woo. Jamaica, man. Summer I've been long, so far. Yeah. See it there? Brunswick. Yeah. So what we have over here now? The St. Catherine Basic School. Roman Catholic. St. Catherine Prep School. On the Brunswick. Nice. Come through, man, with your sister. Just survive. So you have Young Street, center camera. You understand? I think. Jamaica. Yes, Godfather,
Yes, yeah.
blessed. Take your time. Only a little cook shop and thing about that side there too. Like super run. Yeah. So what we have over there, so Fatty's Finger Licking Jerk Center. Fatty's Finger Licking Jerk Center. Over there, so big up Fatty's. Yeah. Look good. Fatty's. I'm not going to see if we can go over there. Fatty's Jerk Center. It look official. Big up to Fatty's now, man. Yeah, Fatty's Jerk Center. Yeah, see sign there. Yeah, this look like a hot spot. Blessed me G. Jamaica walk by. This look like a one nice spot. Yeah, how you mean? Where's that? Fatty's Finger Licking Jerk Center. That is it, my boss. See how that pot they shine? Look like every day and rubber piece side. Look good now, man. So you have to look official, you have to look nice, you have to look like a food are one of them 5-star there. You understand? No joke. I know say from Jamaica walk by we have to endorse the place them real way. You see the place clean. Look good now, man. Look good. Look good. You know cleanliness is next to godliness. Anyway, place clean, the food half is sweet. You understand? Look good now, man. Oh, you mean? So like massive them right on the Brunswick. Look good. You know which part we there. You understand? Fatty's Finger Licking Jerk Center. Look pan clean pot. A Jamaica walk by big up every time all of my general them. You understand? Yeah. Can't see at Jerk Center with no video it. I'll be lying if I'm dying. Come on, man. Your man said #1 in a Spanish town. I have to come cross. Look on the place. Fatty's Jerk Center. Big up all the general them we are working at the place. You know what I mean? Yeah. You don't know the social media thing go. Promotion is key. Yes, I. No joke. See all the big jerk thing here, so. Oh gosh, man. Look like fried can go on here, so same way. Jerk chicken, jerk pork too? Believe no, man. How you mean? Endorse and blasts. Figure that. And if you have to have the fun to cool it down. You understand? No joke. Yeah. Wanna take it easy and go and do it here? At least me say 2 ends of me half a circle. So you know so see me pull up a foot. Look on the pot now, man. How are you pot? Hey, me rate that youth here, you know. I wonder if I own a free place. Yo. Cow skin and thing in a pot, you know. Look good now, man. Yo, we had on TikTok, me G? Why your TikTok? Or Instagram? See the Instagram, Fatty's Jerk Center. See also, Fatty's _jerk _center. That is the place. Link them up on Instagram. We have to turn up a business. That's how we think there. Outside. Mad. A Jamaica walk by here. Figure that. Outside. Place clean and so you're supposed to me drive by. So drive by, man. Watch, man. Anyway, me video I have to pull up. Oh, you mean? Look good. Outside. Fatty's Jerk Center. Panny Brunswick. See me? Blessings and respect as you go through. Look all over here so again. The Brunswick loud. Loud. We just showcase the place. I hope so I'm not afraid of the camera, you know, because I don't really see them things very regular, you know, my friend. A Jamaica walk by, you understand? Lord of mercy. On the corner. Original cane juice. Oh, you sell the cane juice, me Jenna?
I have 200 and I have 600.
200 and 600. You have in a bucket? Yeah. Bigger one, 200 one, right? You know, me tap up on the gasoline. Fire big up every time, manners and respect. See. Let me see if I can turn up on the gasoline. So we have 2 spots for circle. Oh, you mean? Alright, I feel your money this. We're there in a Spanish town, all massive. And it's a great vibe. Big up yourself, miss. Good evening. That are yours. And thing. We outside. Lord, so real authentic cane juice from the Brunswick. See there? From the, right from the shot straight to the juice. See the machine has spin. Look good. See? So as you can see, cane them look like them wash and bathe and basin thing, clean and thing. You understand? And over there so chill to go in and squeeze. So when you squeeze, you extract the juice straight in a container and you get it right in the buckle. So you get the right juice from the cane. So right now, I've been a walk from Barrett Street, that's the Rubies of Barrett Street, and we are done the whole Brunswick. Come say, Mama, how you mean? So we are going to sample it. So what we having at this now? So you go pull off the top for me. Cane and ginger. Yeah. Lord, how that coconut water that? Yeah. Lord of mercy, I'm going to the buckle.
7 days.
Lord of mercy, man. Big up yourself, my friend. A Jamaica walk by, man. Big a subscribe here. That is it, respect. So see there? Yeah, Jamaica walk by. Figure that, Lord of mercy. Look good. Yes. So, cane and ginger right underneath the mango tree. Ah! Refreshing. Beautiful. It no want nothing. Massive, you know in Jamaica they say, when you're thirsty, anything you drink, if I did 50 days, they 1,000. So you know me really thirsty. And now me all a taste this. Lord of mercy, cane juice and ginger. Look for the quality. You understand? No water added, just juice. Look good. That me want to walk with the boy. Look at me, I go done it. What the man name?
Raja.
Raja, big up yourself, man. You do it good, you see me? That is it, man. No joke. So I like massive if you not drive past by the Brunswick. Make sure to check out Raja right underneath the guango tree right there. So ice cold jelly soul here. You understand them in a buckle? And you can get your cane juice with the ginger right here. So look good. Sit there, drink of my own, because I don't know me how far away to go. So the next time there's a right on the Brunswick and what that? Cumberland Road. You see me right the same, they look good. Yeah. How that the double deuce bar. The right a double deuce bar, you see him right there, so I have a RB sports bar right there, so too. You can't miss him. But there, so I go and drink some cane juice and ginger, refreshing for the soul and energy for the street. Wait, that sound like a had. Yeah. Oh God, that nice. Almighty. Massive, it done. It done. That was beautiful. Woo! Where garbage there?
Right there.
All right, that's all. Why? Blessings and respect.
Yeah,
We didn't need that. Touch it, man. Seal it. Big up and respect always. Jamaica walk by, hear that. Fire. Blessed love. We are going down the Brunswick.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, check out the channel.
Subscribe.
Jamaica walk by. Oh, so you do it, just put the cane with the ginger right there, so squeeze. Yo, me blouse and skirt. Easy as that. See it? Put the ginger on the cane and then just squeeze everything right through. No wonder it's so really refreshing. Natural. Martin, bless up again. Hear that? Cool. Jana. Jaja do boy. What a vibe. Refreshing. Oh my word, boy. Boy, I mean, I want to do it, but I end up have a drink here, boy. Tastes good. Woo! Nice. Spanish town. You know, me not got up and talk to everybody, but so far, Holy Spirit catch you. Don't know, so I go video. Bonnie Brunswick. Yeah. Woo. What a vibe, what an energy so far. It's been great, it's been good. It's been a nice vibe. Big up all of my Spanish town people them. Whoa. So over here is the New Brunswick village. It's a beautiful new development. apartment and townhouse type of place over there. We're gonna take a closer look, but first, don't know. Look what shot with the plaza or something. Yeah, man. So over here is the New Brunswick village. Beautiful townhouse and thing. Let's take a look over there and thing. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful place. There's actually an island grill over here at the front too as well. New Brunswick village. Wow. Let's take a look. Let's see how much we can capture of this place. Nice. This is what it looks like. And as I said, there's an island grill over here. Open up already. But to the back, you will have the apartments and thing. And the townhouses and stuff like that. Yeah. Very good development for Spanish Town. This is a very good look. Sagicor Bank over here. Look at the Sagicor Bank already open and thing. And there you have it. The Island Grill. Nice. And the Island Grill actually open. So it looks like you have one entrance here to come under the premises, and you have another entrance down that side to go where the apartment and the houses are. Hold on, let me take a look at the back here, because I heard a little bit about this place, and this is a commercial center where tons of commercial buildings or spots will be available. Wow, it's massive. This is it. This is what it looks like. Wow. So pretty much these are all going to be shops for rent. And the Sagicor building here. Wow. So center camera down there look like the townhouses, the apartments. They are going for over 20 million Jamaican dollars. I think it's in the region of 26 million for one apartment down there, and it varies. You have the studio, I think it's for 25 or 20. Don't quote me on this, but I'm just speaking solely off memory. I think the townhouse is for like 22 or 23 million, and the one bedroom, or I think it's for 25 million, 26 somewhere around there, and the two bedroom I think is way more than that. So yeah, don't quote me, I don't remember if the prices change or stuff, but this is what it looks like. So all interested personnel, you can check it out. It's the New Brunswick Village apartment type of thing, and these are the commercial buildings. These are what it looks like. Yeah. There's something over here. What is this? Raw Williams. I'm not sure what is this, but yeah. The apartments look really nice. Yeah. With the Bronx, even the shops them are massive. So you get a back door. Can you see? Get a back door and the front there. Like the ambience too. Beautiful. Type of decor, the type of plants and all them things that we then plant. This is going to be a beautiful place when they finish and open. Oh my. Wow. Just wow. Wow. Just wow. Look at that. Nice. Beautiful design too as well. Yeah, man. Nice. I wanna say beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Very, very nice designs. The architect did a great job. And then look on the lawn. Beautiful. The lawn. Just superb, you know? Wow. Let me go. Is this the artificial turf? Look like the artificial turf. Really nice. Well done. Oh yes, it's the artificial turf. There's some scraps from it. Nice. Looks so real. And there you have the townhouses and stuff. So this is just a simple tour of what the place looks like. Yeah, so this is the New Brunswick village. No joke, no doubt. Beautiful. Alright, so that's another entrance to go by the houses over there. So we're not going to go so far, but yeah, and I get a very good description as to what it looks like. Oh, let me see. I couldn't see this side. Ah, see another look of it there. Yeah, there's another look of it. Alright, and those now are the apartments. Beautiful. Mad thing. Alright, so persons who live over there, you'll have your own entrance right there to go in and out. It looks gated and a big glass for the security to see exactly who is coming in and out of the premises. Beautiful. Alright, we're outside again. A mad thing. Outside. See? So big up to everybody who's still watching and who new and think blessings and respect. Welcome to Jamaica Walk By to all my new persons and think one love always. See? As we do it like this. We're over the Brunswick and we've been walking from Barrett Street and we're up on the Brunswick, you know, going to, I'm not sure which part me I go stop, but we just a walk and we just a look and we just a enjoy the nice ambiances. Yes, my teacher, man, I'm saying. Yeah, so it's beautiful. So everybody, you can, huh? No, video. The Jamaica Walk By. Yeah, my teacher, mad respect. So if all that person have inquiry, you can just check out them New Brunswick village. Yeah. If you Google it, it will come up and you'll see one of the retail realtor agents. You can talk with them and they will give you more information than over here. But yeah, so far so good. Beautiful. I know it's actually funded by Sagicor, which Sagicor the writer, so one thing. Yeah. Everybody's going to love this island, girl. Very, very good thing towards the community as well. Yeah, man. Mad thing, look good. So back on the main. Good evening. Yeah. Alright. So we're back on the Brunswick. Alright, so here's a sign. See? Residential units for sale. There's a number to call. That is it. Mad thing. We're moving. Woo. Yeah, me teach you manners. So we're there up on the Brunswick. That's a walk through. City Flames, this is a new thing. Wow, I don't know this. Look like it's then the fried chicken and chips and thing. I'm not sure if it's open yet. Over here, so open yet? Yeah. City Flames look empty though, but what's going on? Alright. Open. Party. On the Brunswick festive, man. What? Pay money me I find today. Yeah, man. That is it. Manners, see? That is it. Outside. So this is the Brunswick main road. Hear that? And we just a walk. We see how far we can walk to on the evening, you see me? Beautiful. Well, here look like one basic school or preschool. Still on the Brunswick. outside, man. They're outside. Amen. Let's go. Let's go, man. Music, you know, copywriting, I'm in a work already, so I shout out from here, so can't work with it. Can't work with the copyright, you know. Yeah. Mark X AD wagon. Crazy amount of vehicle for sale. Look good. Honda Fit. What? Mad thing. Let's go. Still up on the Brunswick. Woo, it's been a great walk. I'll go and get some more walking in my system. Hope everybody good. Hope everybody is alright. What up on the sign? Which part we reach, you know? Look which how we reach. Welcome to Hampton Green. Walk, ride, drive with care. North Road. That's how we're there. Still a move. North Drive. Good evening, mommy. Yeah. Woo. See, Jamaica is a beautiful place, man. Jampet is still here on the Brunswick. Jampet still there. And I was still at walk. Machine. I was in a tunnel, I couldn't see the light. And whenever I look up, couldn't see. Think I gotta walk a mile. Yeah. Or the Brunswick festive. Sometimes I forgot that the Brunswick was this festive. So much things going on, you know. Design.
changed a lot. Tell me, baby, please, am I the one? Hey, you've been searching for all your life, 'cause things I used to do, girl, I do them no more. But let me tell ya, places I used to go there no more, baby. What the singer say? Oh, I don't seem to be just caught up inside a dream all my life. There's always been a shadow in me. Well, but over my shoulder there's always a voice somewhere saying I never should try to set my heart free. I wish that love would come and take me in her arms and show me what I never know. And if I could hold someone and brush that right from wrong, just fade away like yesterday. Music I play. Pass through the music. Yeah, that's one of the reasons to why I not really pull up on certain spot to the music. We are jump. It works so well with the channel, you understand? As you walk through the Brunswick. Man, at St. H. Crazy mango tree on the roadside. Mango tree just hang off. On the road, there's a park and just take one. Yeah, man. So, we'll probably end the video up by the shoppers fair. There's supposed to be a shoppers fair up the road. Hopefully we stop there as we walk on the Brunswick, showing you what it looks like. This is a funeral home here, Blessed Funeral Home. Yeah. Mad thing. Woo! What a walk! Big up all of my YouTube brethren them. Orient Freestyle Adventure, big up yourself. Jason and Jane, you don't know, Tina Lee. Big up yourself. Freedom Earners TV. Big up. Urban Spice Kitchen. One Love. Malala. Big up yourself. You see me? And all like massive them are always watch Jamaica walk by. You know what I mean? Big up Diane. Diane Hunt. Blessings. Special big up to my members on Jamaica Walk By. My paid subscription members. Big up to you all. Saying. Nice and subtle vibe, isn't it? Woo. These are communities where people live and think in Spanish Town, the Brunswick. Over there you have welcome to Highfield. Oi, oi. Beautiful walk, you know. Where we at? Under the machine, man. Wanna deal with the road. Why the cane juice and ginger them make me feel like me gas up. Cane juice and ginger. Woo! Bad. Blessed, respect. Cane juice and ginger. Yeah man, it's been a great walk man, may I tell you. Some more time you know you have to walk for your health, you know. Get some sun, you know. Get some purification of the sun. And thing, bust some sweat. And right now I'm sweating, man. Sun now give a break, but it's still lovely, it's still beautiful. And we appreciate it, you understand? Legs them feel fit as we are walk through. How you mean? Woo. We're walking massive. All out now walk with me, not true? Which apartment is this? Woo. Great. Annie Brunswick. right about now, you don't know we have the shopper sphere across the road. You see me? Yeah. Good evening, my friend. Make your one subscribe to Jamaica Walk by then, my friend. Have service? And a service. Alright, blessed love here. Yeah. No joke, no doubt. So, look good. Shoppers sphere across the road and thing. Mad something, man. So we can stop it right here, so. Right for the brand. You understand? If me continue go so, might as well me just walk go Ochi. Yeah, no joke, no doubt, man. So, yeah. To every massive who watch the video and all I massive them who actually like the video, thank you so much for watching and liking the video. Super appreciate it. No joke, no doubt. Best love to you all, you understand? Jamaica Walk, I appreciate every single one of you. You know? Yeah, one Jamaica Walk by, is it? So, blessed elder, manners. So look good. So far a walk. Almighty. So right across the road, you don't know we have Eltham Parkway Road. Across the street, Shoppers Sphere over there. So you understand, I have Jobs Lane or Job Lane. Right here, so you understand. No joke, no doubt. Job Lane. So I switch out with it. So yeah, massive, no joke thing. Yeah man, it's been a great walk. Yeah, so big up everybody who stay tuned and watch the entire walk. It's been a great walk. I'm tired, I'm exhausted, and it's just been good. You understand? Look good. No joke thing. Yeah. So it's all up to me, you know, to find my way back. And you don't know. So if you watch again, please may I ask if you subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. If you love the video, like the video. You understand? Maybe comment in the comment section which part you want to see next. And all of them things to make us see what we can do. See? So it's been a long day and I just want to say thank you so much again. Maximum respect. Big up to everybody right across the world. Jamaica Walk by super and appreciate every single one of you. I just stand up our shop here so you go and get a little breather as you close the video and find our way back down the road. You understand? No joke, no doubt. You see? So, yeah. Blessings man, blessings to all. And strength and respect. Spanish Town, big up all Spanish Town massive. You understand? Big on up, super respect and thing. See? Yeah man. One love. We outside. See? Watch the other videos.
Thinking of a song that I can play. I wish I was home to be in Jaja's place. But there's no need to worry, 'cause I'll be there someday. Which I live in Africa, oh Africa, yes. You say that you are real Rasta, Africa, yeah. Which I live in Africa, oh Africa, yes. You say that you are real Rasta, Africa, yeah.